Beach?
Yes.
There is no beach, Abu. This is green zone. This is green zone area.
Green zone.
Yes.
I never saw this place. Abu,
Those dead trees are looking very good, Abu.
they look kind of weird. What are holes in those? And that's a dwarf tree.
Dwarf?
Tree.
What dwarf mean?
A dwarf man. You said that in the last few weeks.
Dwarf man?
Yes, dwarf man, and there's a dwarf tree.
Oh, so you mean the tree is so small, that's why you calling it dwarf?
Yes, dwarf.
Okay.
And it has big leaves. Oh,
Can you see the sun, Abu?
yeah. Wait.
This place is so fresh, Abu. And
Fresh?
so clean, yes. See?
Yes. I might fall asleep here or something.
Oh, what are those?
What?
What are those structure?
Structures?
Yes. Can't you see?
Yes.
On your left, Abu.